Let's continue with e-communication. Today, let us learn various types of e-communication. Revolutionary change has occurred in communication due to electronic gadgets and internet. Modern trend is developing the scope of communication. So, let us learn the various types of e-communication. The first is e-commerce. When a product is sold or purchased without any restrictions of time and place with the use of electronic media, that's through internet, is called e-commerce. E-commerce is also known as online shopping. Business unit displays their products, they show their services offered, and they advertise them on television or on the website, and they encourage the viewers to place the online order. By visiting these websites or through the mobile phone apps, the telephone and we can SMS them. In e-commerce, options are available to make payments either by debit card, credit card, online banking or cash on delivery, that is COD. E-commerce can be facilitated from business firm to business firm, that is B2B, from business firm to customer, that is B2C, and from customer to customer, that is C2C. E-commerce saves time and money of customer, so it is becoming popular very fast nowadays. Next is e-banking. When a customer can transfer fund from the website of the bank to a financial institution by using electronic device, this service is known as e-banking, that is electronic banking. Electronic banking is a part of core banking services of the banks. E-banking is also known as internet banking, online banking or virtual banking. To get the facilities of the online banking, the customer should visit the site of the bank and register oneself. After verifying the details, the bank provides PIN to the customer through which the customer can do financial transaction. With the help of this PIN, customer can carry out financial transaction with bank or other institution. When the same procedure is followed for financial transaction through a mobile phone, it is called as mobile banking or m-banking. Now we have electronic clearing service, ECS. Facility of transferring money from one bank to another bank or to another institution through electronic system is known as ECS. This is useful for receiving as well as paying money. Large institutions take the advantage of ECS to make regular payments such as salary, pension, interest, commission, dividend, etc. Bank customer can also pay insurance premium, telephone bill, light bill, rent installment, etc. with the help of ECS. ECS transactions are notified to the customer through SMS to their registered mobile number. Next is RTGS, Real-Time Gross Settlement. The online services available to the customer of a bank to transfer amount from one account to another account instantly or within a very short period of time is known as RTGS. This transaction are notified to customer through SMS to their registered mobile number. RTGS services are charged by the concerned bank as per the rules and regulation. The following information is to be filled in online form for RTGS. The amount to be transferred, name of account holder's bank in which amount to be transferred, the account number of the account holder of the bank in which amount is to be transferred, IFSC of the bank in which the amount to be transferred. The full form of IFSC is Indian Financial System Code. Next is e-learning and video conferencing, which each student is aware at this stage. Education imparted outside the classroom through electronic media without any limitation of time and place is called e-learning. This education is also called online learning, electronic learning or internet learning. Through internet, lectures and videos are uploaded on the various academic websites and through them or according to the curriculum. Then through mobile phone or computer, the students can go through it. Exams can be conducted online and the results can be also obtained through online. Education program are also telecast on the television. So audio visual communication is carried out through computer or mobile phone to the people sitting at various places. This is called video conferencing. Here communication process is two-way. E-tendering. Advertisements are given by an institution to obtain service for construction or sale and purchase in bulk or for any other services. Many organizations send their quotation showing their interest. When their entire process is conducted online, it is called e-tendering. In e-tendering, before taking any decision, the quotation terms and conditions are taken into consideration. In e-tendering, it is very important to mention the date, time of opening and closing the tender. Email address is mentioned instead of the addresses of the sender and the receiver of the letter. E-auction. E-auction means a type of auction carried out through the electronic media. In this process, the buyer and the seller make a bid for the products as they do in the market. This type of business is carried out between firm to customer, B2C, from business firm to business firm, that is B2B, and from customer to customer, C2C. The seller puts information regarding the goods or services on website specified for auction. Interested parties quotes the most competitive price within the fixed period of time. The final decision will be of the seller, which is mentioned most of the time on the website. E-filing. E-filing is specified by a computer program developed for the organization. E-filing is maintained by the Revenue Department, Income Tax Department, other organization, so that modern facility of e-filing can be done. Here, the required information by an organization is filed with related documents in a prescribed form and it is uploaded on its website. This is called e-filing. So here in e-filing, registration on the concerned website is to be carried out. After getting registered, sender's account is formed and it is accessed through a password by the sender of information. E-booking. Without restriction of time and place, using the electronic media through internet, railway tickets, air tickets, cinema tickets or any tickets for a program can be booked in advance. This type of service is called e-booking. E-booking is also called e-reservation. Ticket reserved through e-booking is sent in the form of e-ticket to the email or mobile phone of the person who has booked the ticket. If the person wishes to get the hard copy of the same, the e-ticket can be printed also. Payment for this is made through debit card, credit card, online banking or mobile banking. Now next is e-stamping. Stamp duty is to be paid to the government for purchase or sale of a house or land, rent agreement, indemnity bond or for registration of business firm. E-stamping is very safe and computer-based system of paying non-statutory stamp duty to the government. E-governance. Government services and related information can be imparted to or obtained by any person speedily and transparently in terms of administration through the electronic media. This is known as e-governance. Due to e-governance, government can give service even to the people living in remote areas. Due to e-governance, the procedure becomes faster and transparent. You can see an example of e-communication where quotation from contractor for different types of works to construct a new building of a school has been given. Let us solve the textual questions. Prepare a e-tender to construct a road in your area. You can see the online tender as well as you can see the advertisement. Next is example showing e-governance. Now, write an email on behalf of the Higher Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar, to the principals of schools, informing them about the curriculum of Standard 12. Write an email to computer selling company as you desire to purchase 100 computers for your school.